rich and nice. Guys, look at it. Do you see how it looks? Very lovely. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. Guys, today I want to take you guys along with me and show you guys how I make this lovely, powerful homemade juice. Nice and healthy, 100% natural. It's very good for health. It helps our men a lot to stay longer performance in the bed. If the guy is the guy that stay 2-3 minutes, you want to calm down, you need this drink. It's very good. It helps men a lot to stay longer in the bed, longer and stronger. Guys, let's go and I will show you all the ingredients I use to achieve this lovely powerful juice. So guys, this is the ingredients we are going to use to make the lovely powerful juice. Over here is ginger. You can see the size of the ginger, and we have beetroot and oranges, and I have 4 oranges there, and I have pineapple, half of the pineapple. So this is the ingredient we are going to use to make this lovely powerful juice. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start making the juice. I'm going to use my juice blender. You can use normal blender to do it. If you don't have juice machine, you can use normal blender to prepare it. After that, you can save it. Okay, so I'm going to start blending the fruits now. So let's start blending the juice now. And please always check on your doctor. If you have any medical line, always ask your doctor. Although it's a natural fruit, it's 100% natural, but to be on a safe side, always ask your doctor. Okay, and always check my description box and follow the instruction over there. Okay guys, so we're blending it now. I'm doing the pineapple and the orange first. After that, I will do the ginger and the beetroot. Okay, so and I want to use this opportunity to thank all my old and my new subscribers. Thank you for always being there for me. I so much appreciate you guys. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much. Okay guys, I'm going to pour it in a bowl while I continue blending the rest. Okay, and guys, this drink is very good. You know, it helps man longer and stronger. If you are the type that maybe once you go on top of there, under a minute you are tired, you come down. No, take this drink now. You will see powerful changes on your performance. Okay, it's very good. Just give it a try. So I've finished blending all the fruits now. So I'm going to mix them together now. And that's it. So I'm mixing them together now. I'm going to stir it properly while I turn it. I put it in a jug and put it in the fridge and allow it to get cold. Then you can drink it natural. So guys, look at it. Do you see how it looks now? I'll finish mixing them now. So I'm going to turn it in a jug and put it away in the fridge. If you don't like cold drink, you can drink it normal. It's okay, but I like it when it's cold. Okay, so guys, I'm turning it in a jug now. Guys, do you see how the juice looks like? Very healthy and nice. So guys, do you see it? That's the drink over there. So guys, this is the end of it. End of all the ingredients put together. Do you see how it looks like? Very, very nice. So guys, I've finished. I'm going to pour it in the cup now and test it for you guys. It's very, very nice. Okay, if you want to drink it straight away, put your ice cube and drink it. So guys, do you see how it looks like? Very thick and very, very lovely. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to me, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. And if you like the video, don't forget to thumbs up for me, okay guys? And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay guys? So guys, I have to go now. Bye bye.